Imagine offering your very own AI automation platform, complete with chatbots, website scanners, and content generators, all branded entirely as yours. With SnobBots White Label, you can launch a fully branded AI platform in minutes. No coding, no complex setup. Just your logo, your colors, your clients, powered by our technology. Whether you're an agency, consultant, or SaaS provider, SnobBots lets you own the experience. Your clients log into your dashboard, receive your emails, and interact with your branded AI tools, while we handle the heavy lifting, manage client accounts, monitor analytics, track token usage, and deploy smart chatbots with ease. Every feature is designed to save you time, boost your profits, and strengthen your brand. From automated website scans to blog and FAQ generation, SnobBots transforms how you deliver value. It's scalable, profitable, and completely under your control. Join dozens of businesses already offering their own AI automation platform. Elevate your brand, impress your clients, and build recurring revenue effortlessly. SnobBots White Label. Your brand, our technology. Infinite potential. Start your white label journey today at snobbots.com.